Well, welcome back to the Steve Robb Show. Today, I got a package, guys, and I'll be reviewing this pile of crap, and we'll see how it goes. Now, this is a fastening tool for cable ties. Some people call them cable ties, tie wraps, all kinds of stuff. I go with the high quality Princess Auto tie wraps. They have actually a terrific nylon lock in the end here. I don't go with the stainless steel stuff. No. I checked into them stainless steel stuff and it was like 150 bucks for 20 ties. And I'm figuring, okay, I get 2,000 ties for 20 bucks. That's what I'm looking for. So I picked this up. Now this is all, this is a response vid to my buddy Gator over at Gator's World. He did a vid last December, and he was showing off this fancy tool, and I said, I got to get that. And then I seen the price, and I said, no, I don't got to get that. It was like 500 bucks. I said, this is what I got to get, this pile of crap right here, and this is 14 bucks. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to give her a go. Why not? 14 bucks, and it looks like it's made out of pig iron, so I figured, hey, let's go with it. I got a piece of pipe down here. Let's put this thing into action and let's see if this is any good or not. I mean, look, it's got instructions and everything, so I mean, it's got to be good. Okay, let's get to this. Get down here in this piece of pipe, start doing some tie wrap and stuff, and let's see, because this thing is supposed to pull the tie wrap and cut it off at the same time. 14 bucks, let's go for it. Well, let's take this out of the package. This first time I'm using it, I'm not even going to read the instructions. These things should be self-explanatory. There you go. She's working fine. There's no problem right there. And this is going good, and yeah, okay, it seems to be good to me. Let's put it down here on this piece of pipe, and this is what you usually do, is just wrap up a piece of pipe. That's usually the thing that you do, and yeah, let's go right to her. I'll zoom you in. Let's take a look and see how these babies work. 14 bucks. Gators, 500 bucks. 14 bucks. Let's get to it. Here we go. Let's go to her. Apparently, you just got to kind of feed this in here somehow. And okay, you got to feed this in somehow. I guess it goes like this. And that's not doing crap. Maybe I got to turn around the other way. This way? Maybe this way it works. Oh, there we go, guys. Wow, like that's pretty tight. It pulled the top right off it there. Let's see if that cutter works. Okay, now that's good, so I'm getting the hang of it here. Let me try this one now. Hey, I like that. I like that. And then, wow, that's not bad at all. Let me try this one here. Guys, I'm liking that a lot. Well, there you go right there. Now that's not too bad at all. 14 bucks. I'll do a long-term review on this because I go through at least a couple hundred of these tie wraps every year, and we'll see how it holds out. But one thing I want to show you here right off the bat, I don't know if it's going to focus in here or not, but if you take a look at that blade in there, like guys, that's not even centered, but I will adjust that to center it all up, and it still did a good job. 14 bucks. So can you get something that's worth 14 bucks compete with something that's 500 bucks? Well, tell you the truth, in an industrial setting, I don't think this would actually do the job very good. But yeah, it works. And I mean, how many could you buy of these for 14 bucks compared to the other one that was $500 or more? Yeah, like how good you have to be, right? So I mean, for me, that's how good I am. I get the $14 ones. So thanks for joining me here today, and I hope you like this little bit of a tool review. And it didn't turn out to be crap either. It's good crap. It's good crap. So you guys come back again, subscribe if you haven't, and let's have some more fun. Cheers, guys.